Hello guys, Charlie Matthews here, and I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading very recently, but I've got a very exciting video that I'm going to be sharing with you today. This is a video that's going to be on a specific app that the owner of has actually reached out to me and has contacted me and is actually sponsoring this video. So this video is going to be on the Earo App, which is a mobile app that you can download on the Google Play Store or the App Store, and I'll tell you more about it in a sec. Let's jump into the video. Okay then guys, so I'm going to be using an iPhone, so I'm going to be using the App Store. So let's head on over to the App Store and let's type search and let's look up Earo. So let's just download this while I'm talking about it. Okay, so it says win real cash by guessing simple sounds, and you can see there that on the play button you can press the sound and you have to guess what it is in the what is the sound box beneath. Okay, so see previous answers and chat with participants. I will show you this in the app in a minute, but you can seriously actually talk to other participants of the game, and you can see what they think the answers might be as well, and you can help each other out. It is presented by your Earo master, which is Axel. He's a great guy, and he is the guy that looks after us all on Earo, which is great. And if you do guess what the sound is, it will tell you how close you were. So on the chart there, it says that the person wasn't very close, with the white dot indicating how close you are. So this is just downloading the app. This is a I'll just switch to my mobile data because my Wi-Fi is pretty slow. It's just downloading now. Just some more information here. It is for entertainment. It is 47 megabytes and it is a age rating of 17 plus, and it works on this iPhone. If you want to look at the developer website, they're all there, and the privacy policy is also there, and the developer is Vincent Rosett. Okay, so we're just going to wait just a couple more seconds and then we're going to click open. So I've already downloaded this app, so I will already be logged in. You guys may need to log in with your mobile number or Facebook. I usually sign in with my Facebook, and it should come up with this page. So this is what I showed you earlier. So let's have a listen to today's sound. Okay, and then you have to type in what is this sound below. I'm not going to tell you what I think the sound is because it may infringe my taking part in this game, because I don't want to be leaking any answers or anything. So I'm just going to show you around the app. So we have the chat icon here. We can click on the chat, and this opens the chat with other people. So this is the first game today, so the chat is deleted from any previous games. So I'm going to say hello all to start things off, and then you can just go back and then people will help you out on there. You can also earn lives by inviting friends via Messenger, the copy, so you can just copy it and then send it in a text or WhatsApp or some more. Now, you can also do a daily challenge. I've already done my daily challenge and it should come up just below the home thing on the top there, and if you click on that, it will give you a sound and you have to guess what it is from 4 options. If you do guess correctly, you will get 3 lives, and if you don't guess correctly, he will maybe give you 1 life or maybe not. Now let's click the 3 lines in the top left and let's have a look on here. So we have baby competitions, so let's just go ahead and click on baby competitions. Now, baby competitions are where you create your own competitions to play with your friends. Okay, so, or Earo babies if you prefer. So you can start playing with your friends, and there are no competitions here so far, but if you click the plus on the, it will say you would like to access the camera, and then you would have to record some sound, and then you can choose the sound that you want, and then your friends have to guess what it is. Okay, so let's just go back. At previous competitions, you can check the previous competitions that are on there. You can cash out. Now let's have a look at the cash out. You can only cash out after your balance reaches $10, and then you are able to transfer the money. Now, unlike other trivia games like HQ Trivia or Cash Show, you can use PayPal, but you can also use other methods as well, so like bank transfer or via post or something like that. But you have to get in touch with them via their email. So just click on send us an email and it will go to them. So finally, rules and terms, I will let you read these on your own. and you can pause the video to watch, or you can download the app and have a look at it as well. Okay, so this is Earo. So yeah, I really like the app because it's easy to use and it is also in development stage, so there are lots of opportunities that you can get some more money than you would if more people started playing, so you might as well get there earlier than everybody else, and you can also get some fun out of it as well. I've seemed to enjoy my time on Earo, so I would strongly recommend you give it a go, guys. I will also leave the links down for the Google Play Store and for the App Store below in this description of this video. Okay, so it is worth noting that this developer and this app is actually pretty new, so they are going through their development process, and they've actually asked me to be one of their testers. If you want to be one of their testers as well, just check the link that I have put in the description to download the app for Google Play or Apple on the App Store, and you can check it out as well. It isn't like any other trivia games that I've played, because they are available to be played anytime. You can just guess the sound at any point without having to have a live game, which I think is very well done as well, well thought out, and I think it's a great idea for just a simple game that you can just try out. That's pretty easy, but there are some challenging sounds on there, so it's entirely up to you on whether you want to download this app, but I would very much recommend it. I would also like to say thank you for Earo for sponsoring this video and asking me to do a review on it, and I hope I've served it well. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. See you later.